Ever wondered what makes a mechanical watch tick? Let's dive into the intricate world of mechanical timepieces and discover the fascinating science behind them. At the heart of a mechanical watch is a complex system of gears and springs. Unlike digital watches, which rely on batteries and electronics, mechanical watches use a series of tiny, precisely engineered components to keep time. The core of a mechanical watch is its movement or caliber. It consists of several key parts: the mainspring, gear train, escapement, and balance wheel. The mainspring is a coiled strip of metal that stores energy when you wind the watch. As it unwinds, it releases energy in a controlled manner through the gear train, which consists of a series of interlocking gears that transmit this energy to the hands of the watch. Next up is the escapement mechanism. This is where the magic happens. The escapement regulates the release of energy from the mainspring to the gear train. It does this with a balance wheel and an escapement fork. The balance wheel oscillates back and forth, and the escapement fork locks and releases the gears in precise intervals, ensuring accurate timekeeping. The balance wheel is like the heartbeat of the watch. It swings back and forth at a constant rate, which helps regulate the movement of the gears. This constant oscillation is what makes the second hand move smoothly. All these components work together in perfect harmony. The mainspring provides the energy, the gear train transmits it, the escapement regulates it, and the balance wheel keeps everything ticking smoothly. So, the next time you glance at your mechanical watch, remember that you're looking at a marvel of engineering, a tiny universe of gears and springs working together to keep time with incredible precision. It's a beautiful blend of art and science that's been perfected over centuries. Thanks for joining us on this journey into the world of mechanical watches. If you enjoyed this deep dive, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more fascinating topics. Until next time, keep exploring and stay curious.